Hi, this is Sherry Elliott Pope and welcome back to How to Art. Today we're going to be working on an acrylic painting of a girl in the snow. We're going to be creating sparkling snow with a special effect I'd like to show you toward the end of this video. We're going to start off with a canvas that has 2 coats of black gesso on it. You can see here black gesso, and then we're going to cover it with a coat of black acrylic paint. I have applied some masking tape onto the canvas so that we can look at this canvas in thirds and think about composition. So if you see the circles now where the intersections are, that shows areas that are most visually appealing. The light of the street lamp is our focal point, and we're going to be drawing the light in that upper corner. I've used a light gray where the street lamp is, and I'm coming back now to draw that blue halo around the street lamp that we see. I'm using a ruler now to make sure we have a straight line on the pole of the street lamp. Okay, we're going to add some highlights now to areas of the pole where we see the light reflecting. Just as we use the ruler as a tool to get a straight line, we're going to be using this drawing circle to get a good shape on the top of our lamp. I'm using a line brush now to draw the details of the lamp. Okay, let's create a gesture drawing of the girl. Let's block in the light and dark shades on the face now with some flesh tones. I'm using a line brush as we work in these small areas now. We are indicating where the light and dark values are on the face, and we'll come back and add the details later. As you can see, I've made quite a bit of change. I've changed the gesture of her arms. I wanted her to be a little more animated in her gesture. I've also changed the appearance of her face somewhat by adding more details, and I've added the detail of her hair, and I've painted her clothes in shades of blue, indicating where the light and shadow areas are. I've also painted the ground area, adding the lighter and darker shades of snow on the ground. I have some transparent school glue, and now that the paint has dried on this painting, I'm going to paint over it with a coat of transparent school glue. I'm going to lay the canvas down on the table. I've mixed together a very thin mixture of white acrylic paint. It's been watered down significantly. I'm going to be taking the toothbrush and getting a small amount of the thinned down paint, and then using my thumb I'm going to go over the bristles to create a spraying effect of lots of little dots on the canvas, which give the appearance of snow. So you can see the areas where I accidentally got a big splash of white paint. I didn't want that to happen, so I've taken a piece of paper towel and gone over those areas to remove the excess paint. Okay, now you can see why we put the glue on the canvas. I have some fine glitter that's white, and I'm sprinkling it randomly over the top of the canvas. It's going to adhere to the glue and create that sparkling snow effect that we're looking for. And we're finished. I'm pleased with the results, and I hope you are as well. Thank you for watching, and if you learned anything or enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.